Hi, I'm Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we're here to talk about part number NFR0020, the GMC Chevrolet 2- and 4-wheel drive nylon replacement kit for your VORTEC engine. Take time to read all the literature that came with this kit. All flexible nylon fuel kits can be installed into the factory clip and clamp location, or you can use the new plastic ties that are provided in the kit. Step 1. Removal. Remove the fuse powering your fuel system. Depressurize your fuel system by opening the Schrader valve. Consult repair manual for these instructions. Lower the fuel tank and unscrew the main and return fuel line at the sending unit. Note, these may be quick connect fittings. To remove the old lines from the sending unit, you will need a quick disconnect tool. Inline tube part number TLF10. Remove the vapor line. It will be clamped to a rubber hose or connected with a female quick connect. Do not pull existing lines. This may damage the connection points at the fuel sending unit. Working your way forward, remove all existing fuel lines up to the fuel filter and engine. Replace the fuel filter utilizing the existing clips to mount the new filter. Step 2. Main fuel line and return fuel line. For a VORTEC engine, you will have to remove the upper line assembly and install new lines, then reinstall the assembly. Start with the short line marked with green tape and threaded fittings on both ends. Route the line with the angled end at the motor and the straight end towards the filter. Make your connection at the motor to the larger port on the upper line assembly. Connect the long return line to the smaller port. You may now reinstall the upper assembly, but make sure that your fittings are tight before you do. Route the return and supply using the factory clips as you go back down towards the filter. Connect the straight end of the short green tube to the filter on the frame. You may also connect the second longer green line at the filter at this time. Step 3. Connect vapor. Connect the vapor line with the push connect end at the charcoal canister. Step 4. Route the lines. Route the main, return, and vapor lines back towards the tank. Step 5. Trim and connect fuel lines at tank. The main fuel line, marked with green tape, and the return fuel line, marked with blue tape, will have a female fuel injection union that will attach to the existing fuel sending unit. You can use the supplied unions to trim the lines if need be. Different cabin bed applications will require the line to be trimmed for the perfect fit. Mark the section to remove, cut, and connect each side to the union. If your vehicle has a quick connect female for the main and return fuel lines, please use the supplied whips to connect in this step. You have been supplied a union to shorten the line and connect the whip. In this step, mark the line to the correct length, cut, and use the union to attach to each side. Now install the vapor line, marked with white tape, to the tank using the supplied rubber hose and clamp to connect to the sending unit, trimming any excess nylon if necessary. Step 6. Reinstall the tank. Double check all connections and don't forget to connect any electrical plugs. Put the tank back into place and reattach the straps. Go over all bolts to check torque and test the system for leaks. Clean up the routing area of lines. Make sure the line is not rubbing on anything. Apply the Caution Fuel Line sticker so that the future mechanics know that this is a fuel line. For support on this or any of our other nylon replacement kits, contact us at support@inlinetube.com.